Hi guys, Darko here. This is this vlogging is like something new to me, so I'm enjoying every second of it. It just like it wasn't that easy that I thought to be recording these sessions. So there are some I need to redo these because whatever. So one of the top 10 common questions that I get as a lead coach is, hey Darko, which trading style do you think I should be trading? Day trading, swing trading, or position trading? Well, you have to ask yourself several questions. Okay, do you have a full-time job? Okay, and if the answer is yes, are you working daytime, evening time, or night shift? Do you have a part-time job? Can you choose which days you can work? Where in the world do you live? Because that could be a huge difference if you live in Europe, or maybe you live in US, or maybe you live in New Zealand. So because it's just like it needs to fit your lifestyle. So there are these questions that you need to ask yourself, and also like between which time window are you actually being able to do your analysis, because that's could have a huge impact for your trading. So basically, if you want to day trade, you need to scan through your charts like every 2 hours. So if you have a day job, that might be very difficult for you to do. It's like stressful. And also, like if you want to swing trading, then it's like you need to look at your charts like once a day. Okay, so that's more suitable if you have lots of obligations, day job, kids, grandkids, whatever that might be. Okay, and position trading, it's just like that's more, you need to watch your charts once a week. But there are like pros and cons with everything. Okay, if you are day trading, obviously by the nature of the charts, you will have more trades, right? And yes, there are times where there are like more swing trades than day trades, or more day trades than position trades, obviously. And you need to accept that and understand that these price and these patterns moves in cycles. So there's like no one size fits all. So I would say, you need to figure out like how much time do I have, and where is the time window that I want to be trading, because there are like 3 sessions, London, New York, and Asia. So if you are living in New York and you want to day trade the London session, that won't last too long, because you have to be awake in the middle of the night and everything. So you need to find a trading style that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around, because then it just like becomes stressful and you will like break rules, and it just becomes a huge effort for you. It should be effortless. So yeah, basically these are the questions that you need to ask yourself, and take it for what it is, and accept the reality where you live. So, and then basically, I would say if you have lots of obligations and day job and everything, swing trading is basically your only option. I would say position trading is like too slow for beginners. So swing trading is optimal. That's perfect. And yes, we hadn't have like super many swing trades per month, and each, and like I said, this goes in cycles, and you need to accept that. So basically just stick to one trading style that fits your lifestyle, and just take it from there. So hopefully this answers your question about which trading style you should be trading. And if you have any further question about this trading style or any other trading related questions, feel free to send me an email to darko@forexmentor.com, and I will make a vlogging video out of it. So yeah, thank you. I hope you had a great day. Cheers.